Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinder. They also call me Tips with Dave. Have you ever wondered how you can save time with your affiliate marketing? I know that people talk about funnels and stuff like that, and maybe it's confusing to you. Maybe you don't know where to start, but I want to share with you one of the main reasons for someone like me who has a full-time job, why I got started with these automation tools, specifically one tool which is absolutely free, and that's why I'm sharing it with you on this video. You will see it in a second. I'm going to jump on my computer, share with you guys some more. But literally, this has saved me so much time, guys. So I want to give you all the information in a second. Welcome to the channel, guys. As I mentioned, I'm super happy for you guys to be here. We're going to be talking about something that is very close to my heart. It's the nerdier side, it's the geekier side, whatever you want to call it. It's maybe a little bit more technical, but I love Wednesdays because of this. I can actually talk about it very openly and get into the advanced strategies that I'm looking at, or even the medium strategies that, when you're affiliate marketer, why am I getting results and maybe, other people are not? Because there's a mindset shift. So I want to back up a little bit. First and foremost, I want to welcome you to the channel. If you're here for the first time and you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. Add a comment below. Let me know. Give me your feedback. I'm going to be creating weekly videos about this. Last year, I focused on specifically a playlist called How to Get to $1,000 per month with Affiliate Marketing. But this year, I'm going to go into a little bit more technical information. So there are various playlists that you can check on this channel. And, I'm here to support you as much as I can. Now, as I said, this tool is absolutely for free. But I want you to enter into my mindset for a second. I personally have a full-time job. I wanted to get started years ago with affiliate marketing, and I did. And I spent a lot of time trying to develop the skill sets. Then I drilled it down into this simple strategy that you can see on the screen right now, which has two steps. First step is the cash flow generation step, and the second step is my automation step, as I call it. Why did I have this? Because I knew that as a person who has a full-time job, and works actually mainly on my laptop, I do not want to be on my computer at the end of the working day. So I wanted to spend as much time living my life and going about my day and saving my time. Therefore, I needed these exact steps to be implemented. In doing so, it obviously creates a smarter way of working with affiliate marketing than what you can actually see out there. And by the way, guys, every single affiliate marketer I know who's doing six figures and above all use automation in their business. Why? Because it saves them time and because it can generate real consistent results for you, even if you want to take a month off. So it's going to save you time initially. You have to put in the work, okay? You have to put in the work and effort to actually set this up. But once you've set it up, it's just about improving it every quarter, every 3 months. You decide to improve something or test something else. And then you can just, because you're testing those conversions, you're increasing your possibility of earnings as well. So it's very much important and it saves a lot of time for me personally with affiliate marketing. So I don't do anything. I can go about my day. I can go about my day job. I can go about living my life and I can still make sales while I sleep because of the automation that exists. And I use just one tool. And let me tell you, it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. It is for free and they're improving this tool as they go along. So I'm going to share with you a second. If you're a freelancer, if you're a coach, if you're an affiliate marketer, this tool can help you. So it doesn't have to stay within your one niche. You can actually sell this product, let's say, or you can actually go about helping other people build their businesses with this tool. And you can, charge a service fee, for example. That's also a potential that exists. But I personally have my whole affiliate marketing set up in this. So right from sending out an email every day, which I don't need to send out, but the tool does it for me. It's all automated for me. The selling on my sales page, I have a video that's there that's the selling and telling for me 24/7. I mean, if I master that one time that I shoot the video, it's just working for me day in and day out and doesn't get tired. Who would love and who would not love that? And that's what saves me the time. That's what saves me my energy to be able to live my day to the best of my abilities. So the tool that I use is called System.io. As I said, if you're a course creator, if you're a freelancer, if you're a consultant, if you're a business owner, System.io is for you. Trust me, it is for you. If you want more details, you can always, in the future, I will have like kind of consultancy services available. But right now, if you want to get started or know that I have a course in the description of this video that goes to the affiliate marketing essentials if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, or you can just sign up for System.io. Reach out to me on Facebook, guys, and I will give you my help and actually help you guys with understanding the tool a little bit more. It might take you some time, but it is a tool that makes sense. So it's an all-in-one tool. First and foremost, you can use it for complete automation. Let me show you. They're consistently improving the automations. So if you enter into my mindset, I'm working a full-time job. How can I have automations to be working for me? And what are automations? Automations are basically things or tasks that I do not have to do manually, that this tool does for me on my behalf. And now they are improving themselves even more. So for example, right now they've added some elements within the emails itself in the email marketing side, and which can help you improve. So as I said, with email marketing automation, it is what building your email asset right here is one of the key things in affiliate marketing. If you're not building your email asset, then you don't know what products or service that you can sell. Let's say you're giving something out for free and then you want to share a tool, a product, a service. Doesn't really matter what, your email marketing does make sense. Having these elements, having a possibility to create a campaign, and then let me show you guys, having these automation rules that you can set from that, as well as workflows that you can create. And what are workflows? Are basically what happens with the customer. That is a workflow. What is the customer's journey within your automation? That is what you're improving. Maybe they don't open an email. So if they don't open an email, they go somewhere else because they don't want that email, or they don't want to click on that email. They open it, they don't want to click on it. So they go into another campaign, which has another offer, another feature. Maybe they go to other different pages. Maybe they go to just value. Maybe you're just promoting a YouTube channel at the end of the day. All of it can be done with workflows on your business. Say you have 3 or 4 products as a course creator. This can help you. So having workflows does have a huge impact, and having also automation rules does make a huge difference. Now, I do want to say pricing is free. I did say the pricing is free, and it is true, it is free. However, there are limitations with the pricing, with the rules that you can set. So unfortunately, with automation rules, workflows, and tags and email campaigns, you can just have one with the free. So it's good. And I've been using it for free in the past, and I'm now on the paid, but I was using it on free because of the fact that it is free. I could limit it myself. I know that as a beginner, I might not need 10 automation rules. I might not need 5 workflows. I might not need 10 tags or 10 email campaigns. But the possibility to even test that out was there. Therefore, I took advantage of having it for free instead of having it for a paid. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say, okay? And now, just to show you guys, the main thing that is there for automations in my perspective is the campaigns, because these campaigns work for you 24/7. Let me show you guys this, just a little bit of understanding, just to give you guys a little bit of an understanding. I have sent, and let's look at all time so you guys can see, okay? All time fly. So as you guys can see right here, let it just load. So it's from February 2023, which is when I got started, to February 2024. Okay, so that you have 1 year of data. You can see that I have 133,000 emails sent through this platform, guys. As a free member, I had 133 emails sent. So this is a very robust tool that was automated. Imagine if I had to do this all on my own, I would not save time. So when you build out a funnel, having your email automation makes a lot of sense, but you don't want a costly tool. If you don't want a costly tool, then think about System.io, because it makes absolute sense in this whole structure. They're improving. The Facebook group is there. We're here to help you. If you want an entire course on System.io, let me know in the description so I can create that. I haven't created it yet, but I would love to create a course on System.io because there's so much that can be done with building a website, a blog. There's literally a lot that can be done. But I just wanted to come out here and share with you guys a little bit more about System.io and the email automations, how much time it has saved me. If I had to go ahead and send these 133,000 emails myself, I don't think I would have time. And it doesn't mean, and that would really I would be spending so much. If I look at time as money, I'll be spending so much money by just doing this. If you want to leverage your time, have everything started absolutely for free with the automation. It's very easy to build a campaign. All you need to do is go to literally, and I'm going to go here and show you guys this. Go to campaign, you go to create, you build a you put the name, you put your description. You don't even need to put a description, and then you build a campaign. Once you have your campaign, you enter into your campaign here, and you can have unlimited emails. Go to create, add your subject of your email. You can have a visual editor or your classic editor. I personally use a classic editor. and then you can create an email. Let's say you got an email like this. You can have your automations in place, etc., etc., etc. So I just wanted to show you that. I will not cover anything else in this video. I just wanted to give you guys an understanding of everything. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help you guys on this journey with affiliate marketing. So feel free to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.